Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for my fall living room tour. My name is Jamela and I'm with Viva La Vintage for your home. Let's go back last year and this is how my living room looked, and now this year it looks like this. I changed out the pillows and added a faux fur rug, and that gave a whole new look to the room. It also warmed down the tones of the room as well. And then I added more greenery. My plants are always taking center stage, so they add more warmth to the area as well. Also, with the table decor, I've changed things out, and I also added some African masks that I had to my planters. This little vase here was a chinoiserie vase that I got from a thrift store for $2, and it matches the curtain panels perfectly, so that was a nice little element. And then also I brought in the pampas grass from outside, so that was a freebie. And the jute rugs were something that I added back in the spring, and then I added an additional layer as well, along with the tassels on the wall. I added more brass fixtures around the room to give a more of a warm tone. This is the coffee table before, and then I just changed it out to warm it down, and I put a deer skull along with I changed the candles as well. And then on the table I also used the amber tones, which was that gold leaf dish that I bought for $2, and just put some black beads around, and those add the warmth of the coffee table. As you can see here, how the mudcloth just changed the look of the room. Also around the fireplace, I took all that out, and then I changed out because I got an African juju hat, and that really made the fireplace center stage as well. And I like the warm tones of the feathers that add warmth to the room, along with some more wooden statues and of course plants. All those together make a great combination to warm the room down. And as you can see here, how the coffee table just changed a little bit just by changing out the two dishes. My plants, again, more on the etagere. And then of course, here's another view of the coffee table, along with the different prints of the pillows, the African and the animal prints. So that was my Falling for Mudcloth fall tour for the living room. I hope you enjoyed it and became inspired to add a little bit of warmth to your living room without breaking the bank. And as I always say, happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home.